Man, I can't believe that Lou farted on Rob Paulson and Maurice LaMarche last week. I am so sick and tired of his shenanigans. What should I do? I know. I will go to Lou's house and burp in his face for my revenge, since I did not burp in Lou's face with Maurice and Wacko during his punishment day last week. Ha 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 ha.
It's such a nice day today. I hope nothing goes wrong. Oh my God. Brain, what the heck are you doing here? Get off my property right now.
No. And I'm here to burp in your face to get revenge for what you did to Rob Paulson and Maurice LaMarche last week.
Don't. You. There. You. That was so disgusting.
Well, you deserved it for farting on me and Pinky's voice actors last week.
Alright. What in tarnation is going on here?
Well, Ox, I burped in Lou's face because I was angry about what he did to me and Pinky's voice actors Rob and Maurice last week.
Oh my God, Brain. Thank you so much for burping in Lou's face. He deserved it for what he did last week. I am now going to call Pinky, Rob, and Maurice about this. Go home now and make them proud.
What?
Oh my God. Thank you for telling us about this.
We will unground him straight away. Goodbye.
Egad. Brain. We all can't believe you burped in Lou's face. He deserved it for farting on Rob and Maurice last week.
That's it. You are ungrounded for life.
You can now do whatever you like. This also means that you can try and take over the world as much as you like.
Yeah.